So I came out to check this one because I could hear that one of the units was clicking on and shutting off after like 1 or 2 seconds. And it did that 4 times that I counted. I was upstairs, so by the time I got out here to the side, it seems like it finally engaged, but it sounds so much louder than this other larger one even. I just don't know if that's normal. I get the impression that it's struggling. This is the same one that wasn't cooling the other day, and I couldn't get it to kick on. So this is for the upstairs, I believe. It's the far left one.